Assalamu alaikum, everyone. My name is Mr. Mustafa, the academic director of Iqra College. At Iqra College, we have the best curriculum for studying English. And this curriculum that we have at Iqra College, it has been structured in a way that it can help all those students who want to learn English. Those students who have never been to classes of English, plus also those students who maybe they've been in classes of English, but they haven't improved their English speaking. And that is why we have this institution, we call it Iqra College, and the best system in place to ensure that you learn English. So I want to take this opportunity, which is a rare opportunity, to welcome you, plus other students who wish to learn English in Iqra College. Some of the ways in which we do English in Iqra College is that we have very good systems of teachings, different methods of teachings, whereby we have active class participation. We have introduced things like debates, things like class presentation, and all these things put together, we use them to ensure you learn English fast. So I want to take this opportunity to invite you in Iqra College and join the family so that you can improve your English. Thank you so much. Hope to see you soon.
شنو حلقان دول ده يا با
وان سوق الجبيان كي يقرا كولج
مسوق الجزابه بدورت شقدي دونا دو كودعي كو كاي ريم كان كشوي قبي قود بيقرا كولج بان كينيا ارد